I just want to let you guys know that it is already time for the November 2020 beauty boxes to arrive. That's right. And I'm already starting to get the beauty boxes. So you guys sit tight. I'm going to grab myself a cup of joe and I'll meet you right back here. This one's GLOSSYBOX for November 2020. GLOSSYBOX is a month-to-month. It's approximately $21 and a penny. And the reason why they do that is because you pay 3 months in advance. So it's a little package. You pay 3 months and you get 3 months worth of beauty boxes. Let's get into the GLOSSYBOX November 2020. GLOSSYBOX does look like this. Very pretty. It's got that beautiful black bow. You undo it. There is your insert. And I don't know who this is. It says Makeup and Magic. Okay, inside lists all of the products that are going to be, and they're featured inside your box. It tells you whether or not you have a mini, you know, if it's a mini, if it's a deluxe sample, or if it's a full size. Usually you get 3 full size. So my Douce, which is the eyeliner, it was right on top. That is it right here. And it is in black. I know it just fell on the floor. Okay, so this eyeliner right here, and this is the Ultra Precision. This one is considered full size, and it does come in at $22. Now, I do have a couple of Douce eyeliners, just like this. And I can't give you a 100%, hey, you know, these things are great. You know, they're great eyeliners, but they do work pretty darn good. And the tip on them, kind of like that Crayola, see? It's kind of like the crayon. Let's see here. That was barely holding any pressure on the back of my hand. So it goes on really nice, real nice. All right, now we're gonna get in here, okay? So it does have this little sticker here. Now, mind you, this is the typical every month box, okay? This is their basic box, pink with pretty black and pink inside. And I don't know what that thing is. I don't know if it's some kind of crest for the company, but it's their logo. Now, the big item, big ticket item, is this eyeshadow palette by LASPLASH. And oh my God, that is just not gonna work, folks. So that was the dust cover sleeve for it. Now here you go. Does this not remind you of Ace Beauté? Kind of, huh? My first impression of it is Ace Beauté, but this is the LASPLASH eyeshadow palette. This is considered a full size, and it does, the cost on this one is $32. It's got 8 colors in it. It's kind of like a surprise. You hear the crack? It's like opening a present for the first time, and you're just waiting to hear the snap, crackle, pop. Okay. Got ourselves a nice little dust cover there, a product protector, your mirror on your top cover, and then you have what I would kind of refer to as their fall, and they're a mixture of, it's like Hocus-Pocus meets finish that sentence. Post your answer down below. It's like Hocus-Pocus meets Beetlejuice? Anyhow, you get 8 real pretty colors for $32. Not a bad little palette. Am I going to do a look with it? Well, you know, I don't have any makeup on my face right now, and I haven't done the try on with the Glow Addict, so we might be able to mix a couple and we'll see what happens. I'm still thinking about a look. All right. I know we get these all the time, and I don't mind them. I will never throw them back. And these are the Wander Beauty. This is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. We love them. We want them. We need them when we run out. And they're just a little This is just a little sample. I'm just going to put the information down below so that I don't have to sit there and look at the prices. It's gonna be right down here. So just sit tight. Anyway, the Wonder Beauty. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. This is just one pair. That's all we got. Moving on. Okay, this looks like we got a brush, because we did. This is considered a full size. It's by the company Spectrum, and this one comes in at $8.99. It's actually kind of a cute little packaging. Ooh, I like the feel of that. That is nice. Very nice. Look at that. I know it's kind of smashed from traveling and everything and whatnot. Kind of looks like a blending, like a flat blending brush is what it, doesn't it? Kind of looks like a little flat blending brush. It's very possible. Feels nice though. Feels really nice. We might use this, but I probably have one in that little 4-piece that I got in Glow Attic by, do you remember the name? And you remember the name? Beauty by a Bird. All right. $8.99 is what we have right here for that brush. And then we have, last but not least, this is the Mighty Patch. And this is considered full size? Nope, this is a deluxe. Have the Mighty Patch. You have the Rescue Balm. These are deluxe samples, okay? Nevertheless, the information is going to be right down here at the bottom of your screen. So any information that I'm not able to make out, whether it's heads or tails, will be on the bottom of the screen. So these are all of the items that we received in the November 2020, the beautiful pink and black glossy box. All right, you guys, I just want to tell you thank you first off for clicking on this video. Do me a favor, hit that red subscribe button over there, and also turn on your notifications because it will let you know when I upload another video. And you don't want to miss my videos. They're getting better and better, or so I'm told. You guys hang tight, and I will see you in my next video.